Do you want to learn English but have no money for a teacher? Do you want to practice speaking but you are afraid of making mistakes? Today, I have a secret for you. You have a free teacher on your phone. It is called AI. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Gemini to speak better English. I'll give you the exact words to type. It's very easy. Let's start. Yes, before we start, remember one rule. Tell the AI who to be. If you want a friend, tell the AI, be my friend. If you want a teacher, tell the AI, be my teacher. This makes the AI much more helpful for you. Method 1, the friend. Method number 1 is for practicing conversation. If you have no one to talk to ChatGPT or Gemini. Copy this simple text and send it to AI. I will give the text in the description below. I want to practice English. Act like my friend. Ask me easy questions. If I make a mistake, correct me. Let's talk about hobbies. You start. See, it is like a real chat. You can type your answer or you can use the microphone button to speak. It is great practice. Method 2, the simple teacher. Method number 2 is for grammar. Sometimes grammar books are too difficult. If you don't understand something, ask AI like ChatGPT or Gemini to explain it simply. Copy this. Explain the past tense to me like I'm a child. Give me 3 easy examples. The AI will use very easy words. It is much better than a big boring book. Method 3, the storyteller. Method number 3 is for learning new words. Don't just read a list of words. Ask the AI to tell you a story. If you want to learn the word vacation, type this. Write a very short story using the word vacation. Use simple English. Now you can see how the word is used in a real sentence. This helps your brain remember the word faster. Method 4, the practice game. Method number 4 is the practice game. Are you nervous about going to a restaurant or ordering food? Or talking to a doctor? Practice with the AI first. Try this. I'm at a restaurant. You are a waiter. Help me practice ordering food. Now you can practice many times. When you go to a restaurant, you will feel brave. You don't feel shy when you go on a date. One small thing to remember. AI is very smart. Sometimes it makes mistakes. Use AI to practice English every day for 10 minutes. But also try to listen to music and watch English videos. What is your favorite way to practice English? Tell me in the comments below. And what type of videos you need next? Help me create more such videos by commenting it below. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.